Okay, this is Marcia. Welcome back. Today is day 2 of the self-love journey. I think I said self-care in my post yesterday. By the end of the 30 days, I'll have the title right. Sorry, Michaela. Love you. Okay, so this was so wonderful. I am all about gratitude and making gratitude journals. So if you've been paying attention to my Instagram feed for a while, you'll know that I'm always posting my gratitude journals that I have available in my Etsy shop. And I got my stamps out, and I found this one already in my collection that says "You are loved." So that was right in line with what was going on with this whole thing. So today's day 2. So I already have the whole journal written out, 30 days. I have a few pages. I have to add some writing paper to it, but other than that, and I love this whole process that it helped me to realize what I could do to be able to simplify writing on this pattern paper. Just put another piece of white paper over the top of it. How simple was that? So I did my little list of 15, did my little homework assignment she gave us for today. I told 3 people how much they mean to me, why I'm grateful for them, why I love them. They all were so like, oh, we love you too. And then I did my affirmation for the day, which is wonderful. It's awesome. So, of course, and then yesterday's affirmation right in there with it because it's already on autopilot. So, I mean, this is really good because, I think it's warding off dementia at the same time. If you're an older person like me, of course, I'm middle-aged. I'm not old. But anywho, I just have to throw some humor in there. It's like, I'm finding my happy again. And that started coming back to me a few years ago. Getting my humor back, happy back, all of that cloud that was hanging over me that Lyme disease caused, and my adrenals. When your adrenals are really affected, you have this whole sense of doom and panic all the time. Like, when's that next shoe going to drop kind of a feeling. So I had finally gotten past all that with a lot of work, through my holistic doctors. And then now it's just like, this is just like a breath of fresh air. I'm so thrilled. So you guys, I hope you don't get tired of hearing me talk about this and how wonderful this is. But please, if you want to feel better mentally and get your happy back, and if there's anything that has rained on your parade and made you where you don't feel happy, you need this. You really need this. And you can get your happy back. So it doesn't matter. I have learned it doesn't matter how anyone else behaves in my life. I can determine and choose how am I going to let it impact me. And so recently, someone very close to me said something very hurtful, just cut me out of their life for no reason at all, but because they have mental problems and I understand that, and, they need help themselves, and I was going to help them, but before they cut me out of their life. So it's like, you don't want to add fuel to the fire with that kind of a situation. So I said, okay, I respect it, and, I will just, pray for them, and that's all I can do. So anyway, this is just so wonderful. So I'm happy, and just thank you. I just can't say that enough to, God bringing this into my life. I love everything that happens, and he's always used one of my spiritual sisters to help me on my healing journey. And so he's done it again, and this is like, so that's why I said yesterday, this is a place of safety, because I know where it's coming from. So I'm just very happy about that. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to what day 3 is going to be, and I put all my little envelopes that I had made into this belly band here, and I just wanted to show you a little quick walk flip through. This is little, side pages. I don't know what I'll put on here, pictures, I don't know yet. But other little spots in here, they fit perfectly. This is a pocket here. This page I have to make one of my hidden paper clips and affix that to it. But as you can see here, I have the date written in, but I don't have the white paper put on here yet. So I'm going to do that. I was almost going to get a little ambitious and tea-dye the paper. So I'm like, I don't know. Do I feel that energetic yet? I don't know, So I'm hoping I'll get some energy back with this whole thing as well. So that's one of the things that gets robbed from you with Lyme disease and chronic illness is your energy. I am sleeping better. So Michaela had asked me about that. And then with the time change, every time the time changes, the spring forward, fall back, that throws me for a loop for, a couple of weeks. But I'm finally doing well again. I'm sleeping through the night, waking up early again, which is important because I have an important appointment coming up on the 13th. So I will be posting probably a silent video that day because I'm going to have some oral surgery done. Don't expect me to talk that day. It's going to be a silent video. By then you may only want silent videos from me. So anyway, I love you guys and thank you so much. And if you want to put a smile on my face and joy in my heart and let me do the same for you, head on over to my Etsy shop, take a look around, follow me here, subscribe to my YouTube, all that good stuff. And just let me know you're hanging around and I know that that you care. All right, so because I love all you and care about you. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my videos over on my YouTube channel because I'm really enjoying making them for you. And I've got a real wonderful surprise. I don't know if you watched the video when I made this yesterday. It's been a 2-day project, which is going to be an ongoing project. And I'm going to continue embellishing the inside. But I'm actually going to use this for a giveaway, and it's going to be a surprise into an order from either one of my Etsy shops. But you have to put in the comments that you saw my video or on Instagram in order to be able to get one of my journals in your order. So just wanted to throw that out there for you. Anyway, so thank you again, and I had a successful day, and I love myself. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.